Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, what you want to do is just go to your start button, then right click on it, then click on run. In run, just search for prefetch, prefetch and hit enter. After that, click on continue. Then just select everything from here and just shift delete everything. Then close this, go to run again. Now type temp and hit enter. After that, select everything from here as well and hit shift delete. Click on yes. Check do this for all item and click on continue. Click on do this for all item again and click on skip. Then close this window again. Then go to run once again. This time type %temp and click on OK. Select everything from here and shift delete. Click on continue. Click on do this for all current items and click on skip. Close this window. Then go to start one last time. Go to run. Then search for clean mgr and click on OK. Then just select the local disk which you want to clean and click on OK. After that, just check all the boxes here. Then just click on clean up system files. Click on OK. And then just wait. And click on OK again. Click on delete files. Then just wait. And done. And that is how to clear cache in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.